Hello and welcome everyone. My name is Ken Kolderup and I'm the Chief Marketing Officer for the Bluetooth Special Interest Group. I'd like to thank you all for joining us today and I hope you enjoy the program. I'd like to focus my comments today on something that has truly impressed me over the last 18 months, and that is the strength and resiliency of Bluetooth. And I mean that from many dimensions. Whether it's the growth of the Bluetooth community, growth of Bluetooth technology, growth in Bluetooth product shipments, or even growth in key Bluetooth markets. Bluetooth has proven to be incredibly resilient over a time period that has been very difficult for many around the world. First, let's look at Bluetooth from a community perspective. Despite everything that's happened over the last few years, the community has continued to grow, now reaching over 37,000 member companies, and our current growth rate is the highest we've seen in recent years. The community has also continued to be diverse, with membership spread evenly around the world, and with more than 14,000 member companies based here in the Asia Pacific region alone. And this community has continued to work hard to enhance Bluetooth technology. Despite all the challenges, right now we have over 3,600 people from our member companies participating in 16 different working groups, progressing 65 different specification projects. And these projects are in addition to 18 new specifications that the Bluetooth SIG has already adopted this year. As far as upcoming new features, one major one that you're likely already aware of is LE Audio, the next generation of Bluetooth audio, which I'll be talking more about in a few minutes. However, there are several other major new features coming over the next few years that you may not be aware of. This includes a new feature that will enable high security, high accuracy distance measurement between two Bluetooth devices. We believe this feature will enable many exciting new location services, as well as enhance the performance of many current ones. Also, higher data throughput. About 4 years ago, Bluetooth added a new low-energy PHY that doubled the original data rate, going from 1 megabit per second to 2 megabits. But now, developers are looking for even higher data rates, and a project is currently underway to ensure Bluetooth can meet that demand. The community has also continued to see commercial success. In fact, they shipped over 4 billion Bluetooth products last year alone. And that number is expected to grow to close to 6.5 billion products per year by 2025. And that growth is expected across all major Bluetooth solution areas. In wireless audio, the largest solution area, and the one for which most consumers know Bluetooth. Over 1 billion products shipped last year alone, and it's expected that more than 1.7 billion products will be shipping per year by 2025. By any measure, that's a lot of wireless headphones and wireless speakers. In the area of low-power wireless data transfer, which is what enables sports and fitness devices, health and wellness devices, as well as all manner of connected consumer electronics, from connected tools to toys to connected toothbrushes. This area shipped close to 1 billion products last year, and it's expected to grow to almost 1.5 billion products per year by 2025. In the area of location services, where Bluetooth is being used as a positioning radio, empowering everything from simple consumer item finding solutions to very sophisticated asset tracking and indoor navigation systems that are being installed in commercial and industrial buildings around the world. It's expected that product shipments in this area will grow from over 100 million units per year last year to almost 500 million by 2025. And finally, device networks, where technology like Bluetooth Mesh is enabling the development of systems where hundreds or even thousands of devices can safely and reliably communicate with one another, such as in new advanced sensor-driven building automation and control systems. Device networks is expected to be the fastest growing solution area for Bluetooth technology, growing from over 175 million products per year last year to over 750 million by 2025. Next, I'd like to take a quick look at what we see as the key growth drivers for expected growth in each of these solution areas. In the area of audio, we expect much of the growth will be driven by the upcoming release of LE Audio. Due to its ability to support lower power, as well as higher audio quality, multi-stream audio, and even broadcast audio, we see LE Audio driving the next 20 years of innovation in wireless audio. We believe LE Audio will result in even faster growth of truly wireless stereo earbuds, as it will enable TWS products with even longer battery life, smaller form factors, higher audio quality, and even a better stereo imaging experience. LE Audio will also enable much broader availability and better performance of Bluetooth-enabled hearing devices such as hearing aids. While Bluetooth audio has brought significant benefits to a huge percentage of the global population, one community that has not been able to fully realize those benefits is the rapidly growing community of people with hearing loss. Fortunately, we've been working with the hearing aid community for many years now, and we're tremendously excited that the upcoming release of LE Audio will be able to address this challenge. Finally, and what I find most exciting, is that the new broadcasting capability of LE Audio is going to enable an entirely new global consumer service that we call audio sharing. Bluetooth audio sharing holds the potential to significantly enhance the way we engage with each other, as well as the way we experience the world around us. Through audio sharing, we will be able to share our personal audio experiences with the people around us. Also, venues like theaters, conference centers, airports, and even lecture halls will be able to share audio with us that can greatly enhance our experience in those locations. Needless to say, we're very excited about LE Audio. In the area of low power data transfer, we're expecting growth across all major product categories. But one category that does stand out is wearables. Not only fitness bands and smart watches, but also smart glasses, VR headsets, and even smart clothing. One interesting side effect of the last few years is that it has brought significant attention to Bluetooth wearables and the role they can play in improving our overall quality of life. In the area of location services, we see the relatively recent release of Bluetooth direction finding, as well as the upcoming release of Bluetooth distance measurement as key growth drivers. Both features are enabling the development of systems that are capable of providing highly accurate, real-time indoor locating. And we see this opening up even more opportunities in use cases such as equipment tracking, where factories, warehouses, and even hospitals can locate expensive mobile equipment in real time. And in worker safety, where manufacturing facilities can ensure workers don't wander into unsafe areas. And in athletic performance, where sports teams can track the real-time location of athletes during game time. For example, several hockey leagues are now deploying Bluetooth locating systems capable of tracking the movement of players and the hockey puck itself in real time. These systems are providing incredibly impressive locating performance. And finally, let's look at what's driving growth within the device networks area. Bluetooth Mesh was designed from the beginning to meet the strict requirements of commercial and industrial environments, where performance, reliability, and security are of the utmost importance. Networked lighting control systems is one major new use case that has rapidly embraced Bluetooth Mesh. Today, All major commercial lighting vendors now offer Bluetooth mesh-based network lighting control systems. Also, many large-scale deployments are now complete, including one with over 4,000 Bluetooth nodes in a single lighting network. And these large-scale deployments are proving out the significant energy savings as well as improved occupant experience benefits that come with these systems. The potential in this area is tremendous, and it's very impressive to see what our member companies are doing in this area. So, in summary, despite unprecedented and difficult times around the world, I'm very proud to see that the Bluetooth community, technology, shipments, and markets have all remained very strong. We're tremendously excited to see the continued innovation coming from the Bluetooth community. Thank you for your attention, and I hope you find your time here today informative, productive, and enjoyable.